Welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small TEMU order that I had for small piles that I have of the orders I've been getting in. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So, as I've stated before in my couple videos before, I am now a TEMU affiliate. So I'm going to make sure to put a code around here that once you enter the code, I would be able to receive a small commission and some seeding money to be able to get some TEMU items to be able to show to y'all. And if you use the code, it also assists us giving discount coupons for any items you want to purchase for yourself. And it's really a good deal for everyone. And I'll make sure to put all that information in the description down below. So if there's anything you're interested in, you can go through there. And a side note, as you probably see, it's a different kind of table. I'm in my new location now. I haven't really been able to set up and kind of beautify it a bit with all of my 50 million stickers. So yeah, right now it's just a plain gray, but later on I'll be able to fix it up. I'm actually in another location in my living room. So my apologies if you hear random cars or any kind of construction going on. It's just I believe they're correcting something on the street, so apologies for that. So without further ado, let's get to the paintings. So this time I have 3 large paintings to show, and the first painting is this, and I really love this painting. They're all gonna be flowers. It's always flowers. So let's unfurl it real quick, and it comes with your standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is usually a tray, a wax, and a pen. And all you would do is pour the diamonds in the tray, and the grooves help separate them, as you can see. And you would just use the pen to press the wax, press the diamond, press the painting, and voila, you officially started diamond painting. In case you lose it or break it, don't worry, your next painting will have you covered. They always include one of these. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, this one didn't come in a plastic. Sometimes they have them plastic packaged. A couple times I've found them loose like this, but I'll make sure to put it in a plastic I saved. Mostly because I'm worried I'm gonna lose them. So I really love the purple colors, as you can see, with these browns as well. Ooh, I really like that. And this is the paint. I'm gonna make sure that I can get it on the shot. I believe I can. Let me just move some things. And there we go. So it's a vase with purple flowers. I believe it might be lavender. Kind of looks like it a bit. And usually sometimes it's a little gray like this. It gets detailed to me. It pops out a little more. Once you put the colors in, it actually looks really, really nice. Once you set down the diamonds. And just to get a clearer picture, because it is kind of dark. You can see here in the corner the vase with the purple flowers. I think it's lavender, but it kind of looks like it. Yeah, I really like how it looks. I'm a big fan of it. And some information of the painting. It is CY-HH02583-30 which is the size of the painting. And it's 25 colors. Huh. I can kind of see it. There's a lot of purple tones and there's a lot of green on the side, which you can see. And the vase itself, it's a light purple with some white. So as you can see, I think it's mostly going to be in the purple. At 30 by 40, I thought it would probably be 30, but I'm not complaining. It's 25. And I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. If a nice vase of flowers is more your style. Let me put this aside real quick. Oops, sorry. And this is the next painting. This one I do remember. I really love the pink color with the whites. And just unfurl it. Same thing, standard kit. I thought I didn't have a wax. No, it's here in the middle. And these are the diamonds. Oh, thank goodness. These are in a plastic. As I said, they're usually wrapped up in plastic like this. But it's alright. As I said, I have some of these packets saved. So I'll make sure to put it in there so I won't lose any of the diamonds. Love that purple, that dark maroon color there. A random red in the middle. And yeah, I really like these colors. And this is the painting. And this one as well, it's a really pretty white base with so many different kind of purple and red flowers that are highlighted. Let me see if I can get the glare off. And there we go. I really like this image as well. In the background is just a little forest, and the little vase is on a table, as you can see in the bottom. Oh, I really like this one. It's so pretty. It looks so nice on the wall. And some information about this painting. It is VP177. It's 30 by 40, and it is 20 colors. Oh, I'd expect a little more since there's so many dark different hues of the red. I think I might kit this one next. It's so pretty, and I really want it. I can already see it in my living room. It's such a really pretty image. And I'll make sure as well to put an image here in the middle so you can see a little more clearly. You have a nice vase of really pretty magenta kind of colored flowers on more your style. So put it aside real quick, making sure not to drop it. And my final painting. And this one, as I said, they're all flowers. This time it's in a basket. So let me just unfurl it real quick. And same thing, standard kit. As I said, you will always find here. And these are the diamonds. And oh goodness, I love these earthy tones. There's the greens, the browns. It's really beautiful red here at the end. You can see inside. Oh, there's a light green hidden in there. I like that a lot. There's a nice pinks and orange. Oh, I really like these colors. Oh, I really like them. Sorry, I get distracted by them. Let me put them aside real quick. And this is the painting. It's a basket with little tulips and some white daisies at the bottom. When I saw this, I thought it was so cute, and I really wanted it. So, and I really love the brown background. I'm a big fan of that. And yeah, this is the painting pretty much. Oh, I really love these little white daisies. Maybe this one will be the one I'll kit. I'm not sure. I'll have to decide. And I'll make sure to put a video of that when I do pick one. And yeah, and it also has the green of the leaves and all of that. The little brown basket, little handle on top, the little brown base. Oh, I'm a big fan of this. I love this a lot. And some information about the painting. It is LL173 and it is 30 by 40. And it is 18 colors. The numbers started getting less and less every time I open a painting. But I can see it since the majority of it is probably 2 or 3 tones. So it kind of makes sense if it needs so many colors. Majority will be in the basket, I believe, as well. Oh, I'm a big fan of that. I really like this. And as well, I'll make sure to put an image here with the screen so you can see it more clearly. If a nice basket of tulips are more your style. I would think for everyone it is. They're so cute and they're so pretty. Kind of wish they had a couple of yellow tulips because I've seen that before. But I'll take the pink ones. And it's such a pretty image. I'm not complaining. It goes contrasts really well with the white. And that's all I have for today. I'm planning to kind of show smaller TEMU videos because I kind of want to see if I can put 2 a week. Just to kind of put more exposure of different paintings that I have, and I do have an order that's coming in, so I kind of want to just show smaller numbers so the videos aren't so long, and if you just want a quick view of, oh, I want to see what TEMU paintings that might have if you're interested in any kind of diamond paintings. I'm kind of planning to make smaller, shorter videos so y'all can enjoy them as well. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It will help the channel, it'll help everyone else, and I'm a big fan of that. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.